You want to pop for the video?
Don't know how.
No way, I hope you guys see. Whoa! What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is a super unexpected video. I walked out, I'm heading to the gym, and I saw that it's raining outside. So I thought, why not? Bring you guys a little POV, little drive in the rain with traction control off, the pop's on, and slide a little bit. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day, wonderful night, whatever time you guys are watching this video. Hope you guys are having a great one. Can't complain myself. Let's turn on this popcorn map, shall we? Map 2. Doesn't rain much where I live, so whenever it rains, you gotta take advantage. Coming back here to the spot real quick. Get a couple donuts in. Alright, get the f out of here, bro. Bro, that's funny. I told Eric I was leaving to the gym like 20 minutes ago, and I think he's behind me. He just called me. Is that why you calling me?
Yeah.
You're behind me, aren't you?
Yeah.
That's funny, bro. I just came out of. I was swinging it. Wow.
I heard you. I was at.
Swear to God.
I swear I was buying to clean the windows.
Oh my God, bro. That's funny, because I'm over here looking at the video, right? And I see my phone's ringing. I'm like, what the heck? Why is Eric calling me? I look behind me. Sure enough, my boy Eric's behind me. Sorry, bro. I lied to you. I said I was leaving to the gym like 20 minutes ago. You're used to it, though, right?
Yeah.
12 seconds later.
I can't get over how I ran into Eric, bro. So when we're going to the gym together, I told him to meet me at the gym at a certain time. I was heading to the gym, and like I said, I saw it raining, so I was like, this is a perfect opportunity to bring out a video for you guys. And he ends up being in the same area where I was doing donuts at, and he heard me. That's hilarious, bro. Ever since I tuned this car, guys, I have so much more fun driving this thing. If you guys have a Q50 or any Q in general, and you guys want to tune your car, do it. Trust me, it's fun. I love popping everywhere, shooting flames. It's just so fun.
The next day.
Now the next day from the last video you guys just seen. So I'm about to go wash the Z, and the Q is super dirty, so I thought why not take both of them at the same time. So I told my pops to drive the Q and see how this goes. On the way back, I'll probably tell him to pop a little bit, see if he could do it. Oh yeah, guys, look. It's about to hit 100K, bro. 5 more miles. That's crazy, bro. I'm about to hit 100,000 miles finally. Change of plans, we're gonna go that way. My dad's about to bust some little illegal stunt. Yeah, my dad's about that life. Your cars always look so much better when someone else is driving them. Should I let him drive this car on the way back? I've never seen this car rolling ever. Well, like with this setup at least. The last time I think I seen it rolling, I think the car was almost pretty much stock. Just lowered on Nismo wheels. I think. No one ever drives this car. Sheesh. I don't think I've ever had these two cars in one place at the same time. Besides this fest like a year ago. Nice car, man. I don't know if the camera's capturing it, but dude, this car looks so freaking good. I contemplate every single day of taking this wrap off. But then I see the car and I'm like, fuck, dude. Like, this setup is literally perfect. Oh my god. Says that I don't believe that's my car, bro. It's crazy. This shit just ate $2 of my dollar. Hell. No one's here, so I should have looked for $2. Just like that, Q is done. Now time for this one. Both of my cars were super dirty, bro. That's why I'm doing this. I was literally embarrassed driving this car around town. And that one was even worse because it rained. But let's watch this one real quick. Let's hope it don't take my money this time. Just like that, we're all done. Both the cars are clean. Now let's go home and edit this video for you guys. You want to pop for the video?
Don't know how.
Alright, so it's not on the popper, man. Put it in like the manual mode. Anything over 3,000 RPM is gonna pop if you touch the throttle. Barely touch it. Like barely touch it. It should pop. Anything like 3,500 RPM. Oh yeah, you can use those. Oh wait, I hope you guys see. Whoa! It's getting the hang of it. He's a beast. It's natural. Bro, it's so sick. You actually got the hang of it like instantly almost. downshifting. Oh, that's so fucking sick, bro. I have like the biggest smile on my face right now. Spin it. Bro, I'm so fucking dead right now. You're a natural.
The popcorn thing is on still.
Turn it off. Press the cancel. The cancel, you see the cancel?
No.
That one right there, the one that's hanging out. This one?
This one?
Press it until you see the gauge move. Hold it. Now like toggle it down this way. And then press it again. That's it. There. You're a natural. That was pretty gangster.
What, the pedal out?
That and the pops, you're actually doing like really good, like right away. But yeah, guys, if you guys haven't seen your car rolling, I definitely recommend doing it. It makes you like appreciate your car more in a way, kind of. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. I'm gonna go inside and edit the video really quick so I can post this ASAP for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys will be there whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.